Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, things are looking a little bit different. I wonder what it is. Just kidding. Look, you guys, I did my own knotless braids. This is the first time I've ever braided my hair before. So I'm living for it, obviously, as you can see. I love the color. I'm gonna put all the stuff that I use, the products, the hair, the color, in the description below, so you can go check that out, and you guys can let me know if you ever want to see a little DIY knotless braiding hair tutorial, because I had a lot of, I'm not gonna say I had a lot of fun doing it actually, because it took a long time. It took like a day and a half. Zoe, why? All right. So today we're gonna do something a little bit different. Obviously, when I filmed this video, I didn't have my braids in, and it's gonna look completely different. Zoe, goodness gracious. I just wanted it to be something that was beneficial for everybody. This video is gonna be all about planning and organization. I always like going on YouTube and watching those videos where people are like decluttering their house, decluttering their room. I don't know if you guys have heard of Marie Kondo on Netflix, but I love her, and she inspired me to completely declutter my room and kind of keep my space minimal and simplistic. And I feel like that really helps my mind. I've struggled with anxiety in the past and sometimes in the present too. And it really does help to just kind of keep your space and your environment as clean and, organized as possible. I've found that using a planner really helps my day-to-day life because things get a little hectic. I feel like I'm trying to do a lot of things with my life, with my career, with design, with doing music and YouTube. I think it's a little bit stressful trying to balance all of that. So a planner has actually saved my life. Makes me feel like my mind is less cluttered, if that makes any sort of sense. That's been really helpful, and I just thought that I might make a video on it because I don't know, maybe it'll motivate you or inspire you to do the same. So yeah, that's what this video is about. And I'm sorry if you find it boring. I wanted to do something different than a hair video this upcoming, video release. I don't know. I just wanted to do something a little bit different, share my love of planning and organizing, and I just really feel passionate about this because throughout my life, I've noticed how having, some sort of plan for how your day is gonna go benefits a lot and it reduces anxiety and stress. And so if you guys deal with any of that, I feel like this would be really beneficial, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me a note down in the comment if you want to see braiding hair video, but also let me know if you enjoy this organization video and if you try anything that I recommend. And yes, let's get right to this video. I've never done that in my life. I don't know what this is. Let's get into the video, guys. All right, guys, let's get into this. I know you can see this tornado of a room. It's looking pretty rough. As you can see, I got a lot of random things like cups and clothes, mainly clothes for me. I don't know about you guys, but when my room is messy, it's clothes and just a bunch of random stuff that I took out through the week that I never put back away, or it just got really busy and I just gave up. So I'm just gonna start by picking up any stray clothes or things that are on the floor. I think that's a good place to start. Just get everything that's on the floor off of the floor, whether that's putting it away, putting it in the hamper, throwing it on the bed. Just start by, getting everything off the floor. Now I'm just going to start with my bed. I like to change my sheets every week. I try to do it on my off days, like every Thursday or Sunday, whatever that may be. I don't know how y'all's life works, but that just works for me. I just choose a day out of the week and do it. Put my sheets in the wash, and also just wipe down any surfaces like that may have gotten dusty. I like to do my baseboards and my windowsills, my side tables, things like that. Not only does this minimize germs, but also if you have allergies, like I do, it helps me a lot to just make sure everything's wiped down, the dust is out of the air and off surfaces, and just feels better. I also like to light candles and everything while I clean. That way, by the time I'm done, everything smells super fresh and nice in the room. As you can see, Zoe likes cleaning day as well. She absolutely gets on my nerves, but you know, we're gonna roll with it. Love that cat to death, but like, look, what are you doing? Get off the bed. Like, I'm obviously trying to make it, and she just like makes a game out of everything. I don't know. You guys leave a comment down below. Do your pets just think life's a game? Because mine do, and it's ridiculous. Like, we need to be serious sometimes, you know what I mean? Okay, so this part's gonna seem super weird and it's obviously optional, but I have a cat and I do vacuum my duvet cover. I do wash it like a normal person, but you know, I gotta do what I gotta do sometimes. I'm not gonna keep washing that thing, so I vacuum mine sometimes. And then I spray it with some Febreze, and that bed is just smelling super fresh and nice. So yeah, don't judge me for vacuuming my bed. I'm also gonna vacuum my rug. I clearly have a vacuuming problem. It's okay. I enjoy a nice vacuuming session. I like to make sure those little triangles are there. You see that? Beautiful. Beautiful. Excellent form. I'm living for it. I'm living for it. And the big reveal, everything looks great in my room. I'm super happy with it, so I'm about to move on to my bathroom because it's in a state as well, obviously. Basically, this is just a bunch of random stuff that accumulated over the course of the week. What you see me doing right here, I'm actually cleaning out my drawers. Hopefully soon I can get some drawer organizers from like the Container Store or Target or something, so I can, you know, just have a little bit more organization in my drawers. I just end up putting random stuff in there and I hate that, so I'm just going to clean them out really quickly and get some Ziploc bags, and I'm going to put like items in the Ziploc bags. So like all of my face lotions and face products, I'm going to put in a bag. All my little perfumes, my deodorants, things like that. I'm going to put them in little Ziploc bags so we have a little bit more organization going on in the drawers here. So here is how the drawers were looking after I finished. Everything's just kind of has its own spot now, which was nice. I did the same thing on the other side, put all my brushes and my nail things, little barrettes on another side. Now you're just gonna see me cleaning off my countertops. Very simple task, obviously. I like to use Clorox or something with, bacterial cleaning properties in it. Just making sure that I kill all those germs, especially during this time. It's really important that we keep all of our handles and our countertops clean and protected against any viruses or bacteria. Here is the finished look. Here I am, and yeah, everything's looking great. I'm just gonna clean my mirror off really quickly, and I'm gonna get started on the dishes shortly after that. And it's dishwashing time. Honestly, my least favorite part. I hate washing the dishes, but it has to get done. I live with my parents currently, and we just go through some dishes. I don't know about you guys, but my family just we do the most with dishes. So I just make sure that the dishes are clean, that our trash cans are emptied. And my mom often goes to the grocery store probably every week or so. So I just try to make sure that I clean out the fridge, get rid of anything that we didn't eat, clean off the shelving, make sure that's all disinfected and organized so that when she brings more food in the house, there's room for it. And we don't have food going bad and getting gross. So take care of that and wipe off the countertops. And yeah, that's about it for the kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to try to get through this without boring you guys. Right now, you just see a nice little business bag that I got from Target. It's super cute, and I keep all of my daily planning tools in here. This is where I'm going to show you my planning process that I do throughout the week and the month, and this is probably the most important part of this video because this is kind of what's going to save your life. So aside from, everyday cleanliness and just being organized and having your life together, I think this planner and having like a nice little journal is going to be great. Of course, Zoe's here. Hello. Let's get her off really quick and then we can continue on. Okay. So right here, I'm just showing you the little cute little pencil bag I got from Target. I still love these. It's better than having pencils all at the bottom of your bag. And then I got this binder, really cute as well. Love that color pink. And here is my planner. It's a daily planner and it's organized by the hour, which really does save my life because I'm one that kind of gets overwhelmed throughout the day. I know all the things that I have to get done, and that just kind of causes me stress, especially if, I don't have some sort of to-do list. So I'm going to show you really quickly here. Basically, let's start by the month. Every month on the 1st, I go through and write out every bill that I have due, every task that I need to do in the month. This isn't super detailed. It's just, a little reminder like, oh, Zoe needs to take her flea medication on this day, or, you need to pay this bill on this day, or you have this event. I think this is really helpful just to kind of take everything off your mind that you're trying to remember throughout the month. It's all here. You just go and take a look at it and it's done. I really do think every good organizer out there loves the satisfaction of crossing things off their to-do list. It personally allows me to see that I'm managing my time well and using the time that we're given in a day to, actually make something of myself. So what I'm about to show you is how I organize by the hour to just make the most of my time in a day. As you can see here, I have my day organized by the time I wake up in the morning. I'll put something like wake up, do morning stretches and meditation and devotions, and then go to work or get ready for work. Anything that I can think of that's on my mind. I also put like little reminders for the day, like I don't know, you have an appointment at this time, or still not very detailed, but detailed enough to where you have a schedule aligned. And basically what I'm showing you here is the things that I completed in the day. In pink, I crossed off, and that means I completed it. If it's in blue, that actually means that it can wait till tomorrow. So I do always like to write out everything that I do want to accomplish in that day. And just so I don't get overwhelmed by not finishing everything on the list, I still cross it off, but I cross it off in blue if it can wait till tomorrow, and I cross it off in yellow if it can wait till later in the week. And then at the next day, I will just transfer it over and start from scratch. And that way, you're still getting things off your mind that you need to complete, and you're still crossing them off, letting you know that you're getting them done, but, you're saving it for another day. So that's really it for the planner. I'm basically just creating a schedule for the day for myself. Now I'm going to show you my kind of in-depth thought process as far as how I, schedule things for myself. I use this notebook mainly to just write everything that I'm thinking down that I have to get done. And I mean everything. I think in our minds, we tend to kind of like hoard information. Like,
oh, I need to, I don't know, like go to the grocery store, bathe my cat. I need to go to the doctor's office, but doctor's offices are closed right now because of COVID. But it's just something that you're getting off of your mind. So I mean, literally anything that's on your mind that is clouding your thought process and making you feel kind of, anxious about, I don't know, just life in general. There's so much going on. Like we can't remember all of that stuff. And I feel like it creates, some sort of anxiety. So that's what you want to do. You just want to write everything on these pages and cross them off in the highlighted colors that you chose for yourself throughout the month. And I promise you it'll be a life-changing experience, honestly. And I think that it's just going to push you to become the best, most organized version of yourself. And it's just going to make your life a whole lot easier. So I hope you guys try this.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video. Let me know if any of this helped you, made you feel any better. I don't know. Oh, I've also been wanting to think of like a name for my channel, like to call our family. I keep saying family because I'm very family oriented and I just want everybody to feel comfortable coming to my channel, know that it's a safe spot and that we can all come here and just be loving and genuine and kind. I don't really want to tolerate any sort of negativity on my channel. So Zoe, please do not get up there. Hey, don't do that. But yeah, I would love if we could. Zoe, she still did it. She still did it. You guys, this is Zoe. Say hi. What a sweet kitty you are. This is Zoe. She's 1 year old and she's a troublemaker. But yes, you guys, please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Words are hard today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and give me any new ideas that you might have. Thank you for tuning in once again, and yeah, I'm gonna go. Peace.